Ask any floor professional what the worst part of floor maintenance is. Chances are the answer will be stripping floors. Let's face it, it's hard, can take a really long time to finish, and above all, it's dangerous. Although times have changed, stripping floors has more or less stayed the same. Conventional strippers rely on aggressively high pH chemicals to emulsify and burn through the dirty finish. As a result, floors are often damaged while producing volatile organic compounds or VOCs that are harmful to the users and occupants of the building. Annual stripping causes floors designed to last 30 to 40 years to wear out in appearance and durability, resulting in costly replacements. Not to forget that on average, stripping each year accounts for 60 to 70% of annual chemical costs. Can this toxic stripping cycle ever be broken? Yes. Ultra Chem Labs has broken the cycle with Selective Implosion technology, or SiTech. What is SiTech? SiTech is a proprietary chemical technology used to safely and efficiently unlock the molecular bonds of the toughest finishes. Once the bonds are unlocked, they remain permanently detached, resulting in easy and safe removal without the risk of floor finish dryback. Think of conventional stripping as trying to bring an old building down with a bulldozer. SiTech functions like a demolitions expert. When molecular bonds are neutralized and unlocked, the most overwhelming of jobs can be completed faster, safer, and more efficiently. How does SiTech improve quality of your life? SiTech greatly reduces slip and falls during the stripping process. SiTech eliminates toxic odors. SiTech won't burn the floor or your skin. SiTech breaks the floor finish down so it won't dry back onto the floor. If the slurry's dry, just add water and continue to strip. It eliminates the collateral damage associated with stripping. SiTech helps you save on time and money. And with zero strip floor care, SiTech helps you to make your last stripping job the best one ever. Follow us to see how Selective Implosion technology can work for you.